What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a quick video unboxing and using. This is the blackhead removal. It's absolutely nice, as you can see. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, what comes in it? You have your manual, thank you card. Now you have your charger. Now you have four different tips. You can see different one does different things. It is chargeable through 3 different settings. It does suck pretty good. Well, the way you use this is you have to steam up your face to open your pores, and then you use it. And I will show you coming up. And it also comes with little sponge that goes in this section. Put it here. Oh, there's already one in there. Put one in there. And that's where it goes. Awesome. Okay, so basically you have the machine. Okay, now the higher you go, it sucks harder. I'll put it high. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, sucks hard. As you can see, it turns red. Things work way better if you got your pores open. Okay. Yeah, it sucks real good. Okay. Let's check it out. As you can see, it did take some stuff out. You can see. As you can see. There's a lot. So yes, it does work. Recommend it. It does suck. Put it to charge. Worked perfectly fine. It did take some facial nastiness. Well, just wanted to show you how the machine works. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. In my description there will be a link and where to buy this. Thank you.